समझ आ रहा है मुझे में मैं ms मैं ici I से ici je dois créer les questions la question et il est très nécessaire il est très nécessaire il est très il est très nécessaire. It is very necessary. Il est très nécessaire. It's very important that je puisse. Je puisse. What is je puisse? Il est très nécessaire que je puisse. Puisse is what basically? Now listen to me. See, it is very important module. What is puisse? Puisse. Now, team, listen to very important thing. We have two type of present tense in French. Repeat after me. We have, yes. In English, we have only one present tense, but we have a two type of present tense in French. One, we have a normal phrase. Okay, I can do that. Okay, I can do. But one, we have an obligation. Pen down, please. If we have, I will give you a lot of emotions, feelings, lot of pattern wherein we can apply subjunctive. SUB, subjunctive is a part of the SUBJONCTIF. Subjunctive is a grammar of French. Pen down, please. Subjunctive is a grammar for French language.
Subjunctive से spelling बताना sir.
SUBJONCTIF. Subjunctive. Say clear. One thing you have to understand: if there is an obligation, if there is an obligation, for example, it is very important obligation. Now, for example, if you say, I can do that. What is I can? Je peux. Okay, I can. Say clair. Je peux. Because we have verb pouvoir. Say clair. D'accord. Mais ici, par exemple, you will say, it is very important that I can do that. It is very important. It is coming under the category of obligation. In that case, I will not use present je peux, tu peux. No, I have to use subjunctive present because we have two type of present tense. One is simple present, pen down please, and one is subjunctive present. Say clair. If your category, your oral, your l'intonation, your tone, intonation, 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 intonation is your tone. If your tone is coming under, it is very important. Hello. It is coming under the category of subjunctive present. Présent. Say clair. So obviously, évidemment. What is obviously? Évidemment. We have done right. Évidemment a lot of time. Évidemment. Pouvoir present tense is je peux. You know, je peux, tu peux, il elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, il elle peut. But what is pouvoir? Pouvoir subjunctive present. And one thing you to understand, subjunctive will always come after curve. जैसे आप बोलते हैं ना, curve is what? QUE curve. Curve is that. मुझे जैसे आप बोलते हो कि ये बहुत जरूरी है कि it is very important that subjunctive will come always after that, because first we have to make an obligation, we have to make a phrase, we have to make a phrase on obligation. It is very important that you can, Ka is my that. Now in English we have, what is that in English? Where और क्या है की. So we have two sense of that. The same we have cur. Cur is my that. C'est clair. Cur. C'est clair. D'accord? Il est très nécessaire que I can. Now you came to know it is very important that this is a category of subjunctive present tense. So what is subjunctive present tense in terms of pouvoir verb? What is subjunctive present tense in case of pouvoir verb? So is it clear to you, my team? Say clear. So yes, now I will explain to you what is subjunctive present in terms of pouvoir verb. Repeat after me. Je puis, je puis. P-U-I-S-S-E. Exactly. So it is not je peux. This is je puis. Is it clear to बच्चों? Répétez après moi. Je puis. C'est clair? I can write it on the right, but I will write it on the whiteboard. Okay. Que je puisse, P-U-I-S-S-E, que tu puisses, que tu, I will write it down, Bhamidharma, don't worry. Qu'elle puisse, que nous puissions, c'est clair, que vous puissiez and qu'elle puisse. Now either देखो आप लोग मैं que je puisse répétez après moi. This is my subjunctive. Que is my that. Que je puisse. C'est clair. Que tu puisses. This puisse is my with es. E-E-S-E. Qu'elle puisse. C'est clair. Now que nous puissions. I-O-N sending. Que nous puissions, c'est clair. Que vous puissiez, c'est clair, my team. And qu'elle puisse. Team, that how we can, go with these type of conjugations. Now, Yuri want to see something in subjunctive. Exactly. Exactement. Now, for example, say, it is very important. Now, il est très nécessaire, it is very important, we have three sense. Now, for example, you are explaining your content, okay, and you want to apply in whole content, you will say three times, it is important, it is important, it is important, maybe, because it's very, maybe, because in your tab section B, basically, there's a conversation which runs for 5 to 7 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes conversation, it means you have to come up with your what? Content. Now, from where will get the content? Now, today I will give you the content of it is very important. It is very important. We can define with three sense. One, we have il est très important. Répétez après moi. Il est très important. C'est clair. Yes. Il est très important. Répétez après moi. That how we can practice. Il est très important. It is very important. If I say it is très important, it is very important that you come on time. No, that you come in any crowd or something. That you can do that. Maybe it is very important that you can do. That you can come. Say clair. Il est très important. You can. It's very important that you can come. Il est très important que tu puisses, c'est clair, tu puisses venir ici, that you can come here. I'm saying it is very important. Il est très important que tu puisses, c'est clair, to come, venir ici. Is it clear to you? If I will say il faut que, répétez après moi, il faut que. Literally meaning of il faut que is also it is very important. Il faut que. Literally, because that's how we can fix the pattern of text. So you have to define ile because we'll pick one, one phrase, and with one phrase we'll do a lot of activities. Okay. So ile traz important que tu puisses venir ici. Que tu puisses venir ici. It is mandate that. I think in English we have it is important. It is mandate. The same in French also. But the sense is same. It is mandate. You will say it is obligation that. C'est clair? One same thing? Necessary. Yes. Il faut que. Il faut que is literally because il faut que is it is important. C'est clair? It is important that you can do this. Maybe. Il faut que tu puisses que il faut que tu puisses आगे blah blah blah. C'est clair? Il faut que nous puissions. It is very important that we can. Que nous puissions. C'est clair? Is it clear to you, Ranveer? Ranveer, is it clear to you?
सर लास्ट वाला रिपीट करियो.
Il faut que. Basically, il est très important. Il faut que. Il est très nécessaire. We have done is one and the same thing. C'est clair? D'accord. Now, if I ask to you, what is venir verb in terms of present tense? Because we are working, see, dramatically we pick the grammar. It is not we start present, then in the next 1 month you will pick fast. No. Because language, this is a concept basically of the foreign language. It will come the moment you start speaking, and all these things will take dramatically segregate the things with present, past, mélanger les choses. Répétez après moi. Ok, il est très important. Répétez après moi. It's very important that I have to mix the things. Maybe you will say, if I say, it is very important that you to mix the things. So what do you say? Il faut que. I have to. Now, over here we have a devoir verb. Over here we have a devoir verb, right? Now you tell me, please. Il est très important, Claire. Il faut que. Now, what do you think? The one we can apply present or subjunctive present? Tell me. Yes, because it is coming under the category of obligation. So I cannot say, if you say it is very important that I have to mix the thing. I have to is what? Je dois. So the verb of work to must, you will say je dois, tu dois, il, elle doit, nous devons, vous devez, il, elle doit. Clear? But I cannot say je dois. I have to use subjunctive of the verb. Yes. So répétez après moi. Que je dois. Yes. Let me write it down. I will write down the whiteboard also. Que this is my devoir verb subjunctive. Que je dois. Que tu dois. Qu'il, qu'elle doit. C'est clair. Ok. Que nous devions. Que nous devions. Que nous devions. Que vous deviez. C'est clair. D'accord. And qu'il, qu'elle doivent. C'est la pluriel. Here, ma'am. Que je dois, que tu dois, D-O-I-V-E, D-O-I-V-E-S, D-O-I-V-E, D-O-I-V, que nous devions, sorry, pardon. Okay, que nous devions, que vous deviez, qu'il, qu'elle doit. This is my subjunctive. If you will say, it is very important, write down in English and make a subjunctive. It is very important that you have to come on time. It is obligation that You have to do that. Those points I will explain to you. It is very important that because that how you can pick the French. Ranveer, is it clear to you? Ranveer, hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. कर रहे हैं.
It is first line is what? Il faut que. Okay, it is very important that il faut que. What is the English? Il faut que.
It is very important that
You have to come on time. You have to. What is you have to? Either if you say tu dois, I cannot say present. I have to use subjunctive present because it is coming under the category of obligation. So que tu dois, D-O-I-V-E. I cannot say D-O-I-S.
It's very important that
You have to come on time. You have to. What is you have to?
you have to
Que tu dois, D-O-I-V-E. देखो बाबू ये प्लस हाँ हाँ बताओ ये है ना obligation. It is very important.
have to
हाँ you have मतलब it is very important is coming under the category of obligation. ये बहुत जरूरी है.
so we will use very
वनीर अभी आ रहा है इसमें. It is very important. C'est clair.
yes, sir.
Il
Yes.
faut que tu dois venir on time को बोलते हैं à l'heure. Literally meaning of on time is à l'heure. L'heure we have time à l'heure. ये देखो आप ये रहा है.
Yes, sir, I like it.
You have okay.
Yes.
Il faut que tu dois venir à l'heure. Basically, à l'heure is on. If I will say okay. Il est très important que je doive. It is very important that I have to come on time. Il est très important que je doive because we have D-O-I-V-E subjunctive. I cannot say que je dois. D-O-I-S I will not apply. What is present tense of the verb? Okay, let's have differentiate. D-O-I-S.
Yes, sir.
So if I will say it is very important that I have to come on time. So I have used present or subjunctive present. Subjunctive present. Clear? But we have to understand subjunctive. Where क्या आपने हुआ? Present of the verb is je dois present. Only D-O-I-S. Marvin, you know the word? D-O-I-S. D-O-I-S. Pen down please. D-O-I-S. Je dois. D-O-I-S. Tu dois, D-O-I-S, D-O-I-T, devons, D-E-V-O-N-S, D-E-V-E-Z, and D-O-I-V-E-N-T. D-O-I-S, D-O-I-S, D-O-I-T, D-E-V-O-N-S, D-E-V-E-Z, and D-O-I-V-E-N-T. Say Claire. Now, what is subjunctive present? D-O-I-V-E. Subjunctive is D-O-I-V-E, D-O-I-V-E-S. Say Claire.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pakka.
Yes, sir.
I understand pattern is bit tricky, but recording is there. I will send you the recording at the end of the session so that you will do that. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
So do you want recording of today's session? Tell me please.
Yes.
This is the differentiate of the verb and the verb present, and over here we have subjunctive. Subjunctive, the verb, and simple present tense. Say Claire. Then how we can do the differentiate? We have lot of categories wherein we can apply if this situation is under doubtful. I will do a subjunctive, but abhi मैं इसको explain नहीं करूँगा. I will do it slowly and gradually. Will do that because if you really want to clear your TEM, if I am a jury, if I am an examiner, so I want to listen something in subjunctive because subjunctive is a pattern of B2 and C1. I will not look forward for present. Obviously, we have to start the language with the present tense. But if I really want to, grab, if I will say, I think there's a doubt. So if the situation is coming under dicey, I'm left with a lot of things. A lot of things will do with subjunctive. But today you have to understand obligation. We have three terms. Electrons and porto. Electrons and porto. Infoker. Electrons and you have used to you learn two subjunctive kufar and dafar. Only these things you have to practice for today. I will not go with the heavy with a lot of things. Obviously, we'll go gradually, but these things you have to do practice because subjunctive is a pattern. If I calculate my, so for example, if I will keep myself in your shoes, when I was a student, I faced a lot of hurdles in subjunctive. Because subjunctive हमें बताया गया था after 7-8 months, and I said, what is this going on? But I'm giving you this time because when I worked as a translator, I came to know, I observed that language something which we have to go for a, we have to mix the language in terms of learning the concept. Like it is not I will straight you grammar with present I will take 2 months. No, you are not a kid. You want to grab, you want to learn the language as soon as possible so we can work parallel on this. Say clear?
Yes, sir.
D'accord. So obviously, maybe it takes some time to engage in this, but if you do the practice with the help of the session, it will help you out. Say clear?
Yes.
All of you understood the concept today?
Yes.
Clear? And now I'm not speaking French. Sorry, in English. You understood. What is you understood? We have worked comprendre.
Yes, sir.
Comprendre. You understood passé composé.
Yes.
So comprendre पेपे is compris. Pen down page. C हमने क्या लिखा? Comprendre पेपे is compris. COMPRIS. Comprendre पेपे is compris. COMPRIS. तो मैं बोलूँगा vous avez compris. What I'm using? Vous avez compris. I am using our verb. Present is vous avez. Tout le monde. Reste après moi. Tout le monde. Tout le monde का मतलब क्या होता है? Basically, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Monde we have world. संसार. MONDE. Monde we have world. संसार. Two we have all. But tout le monde, if I ask you, if you have gathering of
All of you.
all of you, tout le monde, vous avez compris. You understood because I am using our verb.
Yes, yes.
है ना? Vous avez compris. tout le monde vous avez compris. आप लोग oui, j'ai compris. Our verb, j'ai compris. I understood. Say clear.
Yes, sir.
These patterns you have to do practice. I will send you the different videos, but you have to submit your task, please, because it is very important. To be honest, अगर आप मेरे जैसे चलोगे टेस्ट क्लियर होगा आपका, वो बच्चे कर भी नहीं है टेस्ट क्लियर. If you will exactly, but आपको see how I will come to know कि आप वो चीज करिए कि नहीं समझ आएगी. So whatever I am sending to you, test design patterns बने हुए जैसे tab day 1, tab 2, tab day 3 इसको मैं आपको सेशन अभी दे रहा हूँ. I'm not giving you the burden of books कि आपको यहाँ बड़े दिन में कैसे पढ़ो. I'm giving you my अभी sessions and gradually will enter in the book pattern also. Say clear. अभी हम brush up करेंगे. So I will send you again today some videos. मैं segregate करूँगी कि आपका क्या level है. पूरे आपको मैं दो videos दूँगा. ये तो करना ही है. आज का session तो you will do that. Say clear. You will get the recording in the next half an hour time. Clear? Okay. But आपको practice करना है. Say clear. ठीक है? So all the best team will meet you tomorrow. Okay, Ranveer? Is it clear to Ranveer? Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Meet you tomorrow. I will share the recording of today's lecture. Please watch those, and I will send you the recording of different lecture also, which you need to practice for those sessions also. Clear? Okay.
ठीक है.
Ok, tout le monde, merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt.
Sir.
On va se rencontrer demain à même heure. We'll meet you tomorrow at the same time. Okay?